someone was asking after my workshop last Saturday at the Berkeley Rep School of Theatre, how do I bring this into my daily life? She has kids, she wants to take the kids off the floor, or so, and then she's a farmer, so how does she get there? And she's like, well, I get tired, and she's demonstrating to me how she uses herself in the field. And what happens, she's like, yes, her hamstrings are getting tight, but look at if you're lifting something from here, how the spine is really long. You don't want to be rounded, but how can you be in your skeleton? So the transfer of doing an awareness movement on your back or on your side, where you explore your environment, that's how you transpose the knowledge into your daily life. So basically, if I'm lifting here, I'm using my back and my glutes. If I'm transferring the weight on my skeleton, then I can use the architecture, the engineering, the physics of my skeleton to lift the weight. And then I'm able to lift way more weight this way than if I was here. Or yes, I have the flexibility, but there's no weight here. So if I'm pouring the weight into the floor, using my flexibility in my skeleton to push the floor away, then I'm lifting this up.